All right, so a lot of reactions that are coming in right now. I just want to read out a statement that's also been put out by the Samyukt Kisan Morcha, another farmer group that's been spearheading these protests against the farm laws. And while they welcome the decision, they're saying also that we will wait for the announcement to take effect through due parliamentary procedures. So at this point, while farmers are celebrating the announcement by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, they're also saying that their agitation, their protest will formally end when the laws are formally repealed, which will happen in the winter session of Parliament. I was mentioning about how, the government has been forced to essentially do this rethink, a U-turn on a legislation that they stuck their neck out for, that they backed time and again. Even at the peak of the agitation by farmers, the Modi government made it very clear that discussion on repealing of these laws was simply not going to happen. They spoke about suspending these laws. They spoke about tweaking it. But time and again maintained that there was no question of actually going ahead and repealing these farm laws. What changed right now? It's important to highlight the timing of this move. In the run-up to, in fact, the elections in Punjab and Uttar Pradesh, the BJP perhaps recognized that, there is a lot of damage that they're unable to contain, and that's why I went ahead with this move. Let's take this across now to Supriya Bharadwaj. She's joining us live from Delhi with the latest updates on the Supriya. How is the Congress reacting to this news? This U-turn by the government will be seen as a victory of the Kisan, will also be seen as a victory for the opposition.
Well, to sum up in just one line, the Congress leaders have said that this is the victory of the farmers and the victory of the opposition, and in particularly when it comes to the opposition, it's the victory of the Rahul Gandhi. If you see the entire social media and especially Twitter, all the Congress leaders are going all out and tweeting a video of Rahul Gandhi where he had said in Kerala that the government will be forced to take back these laws. And all of them are coming out and say that the farmers have ensured that the government bows before their demand. At the same time, also they are giving credit to Rahul Gandhi. We are at the moment present at Indira Gandhi Memorial, where just now the senior leaders of the Congress party are present, and as well as Congress President Sonia Gandhi is also there. We'll try to get a word from these leaders. But when we spoke to KC Venugopal, he said very categorically that this is a big day and it is a victory for the Indian farmers as well as the opposition. We have spoken to a lot of other opposition party leaders, and they're also coming out and saying that finally the government had to bow before the farmers' demand. But they're also raising question mark as far as the MSP factor is concerned. They're saying they would like to get more clarity from the government as far as the MSP issue is concerned. Mallikarjun Kharge is coming. We will try to get a word from the leader of the opposition in Rajya Sabha. Mallikarjun Kharge ji, we'll try to speak to him. Sir, सरकार ने तीनों कृषि कानून वापस ले लिए, कैसे देखते हैं इसे आप?
अरे ये तो किसानों की विक्ट्री है, और यही चीज हम कह रहे थे बार बार पार्लियामेंट में, पार्लियामेंट के बाहर। इसीलिए तो राहुल गांधी जी ने इसके लिए बहुत कोशिश की, लोगों ने भी साथ दिया। किसानों ने कम से कम अब 2 साल से लड़ रहे हैं और उन्होंने अपनी जान खोई, अपने घर बार छोड़े। उसके बाद अब सरकार को बुद्धि आई, उन्होंने अब विड्रॉ किया। अगर ये पहले ही कर लेते तो कहीं बहुत से जान बच जाते थे, बहुत से लोगों को ये दिक्कत नहीं होती थी, रास्ते पे नहीं रहते थे, और जनरल पब्लिक को भी ये कुछ ऐसा सहन करने का वक्त नहीं आता।
जी, well, I'll try to get a word from Ambika Soni ji also. Ma'am, one quick reaction as far as the issue of farm laws is concerned. The government has repealed all the 3 farm laws. How do you see it?
I feel it's a great victory of the farmers. The government should have listened to us while we were all asking for the repeal of these 3 black laws, and they would have saved the lives of 700 people at least who have died during the course of this agitation. So this obviously shows that the government is weak, the government is indecisive, because they should have repealed these laws a long time ago, before all those 11 rounds of discussions took place.
What do you think has forced the government to take back this decision?
Well, the pressure of the farmers. They tried every trick of the trade to make them, to cajole them, to, subject them to a lot of hardships. to flatly refuse their demands. But now they knew that this can't go on. The production of this country would suffer. People in the borders are all connected with the farmers. After all, they are the source of your soldiers, your people working in the cities. They all come from the rural areas. So this is something the government should have done.
You come from Punjab. Do you think this will have an impact on the elections also over there?
Well, of course, it's a victory of the entire farming community, and Punjab is probably one of the biggest agricultural states, and there will be a period of great rejoicing. This is what we wanted. This is what we had all been fighting for, though we were not officially associated with the farmer agitation. But you remember, Rahul Gandhi also went to their parliament, and all along our leadership in Punjab has all along. Recently in the Punjab Assembly we repealed the 3 laws. I mean, we dispensed with the laws.
It's a victory moment. You're all smiles today.
It's a victory moment for the farmers who are the real ki haddi of the Indian nation.
Well, that was Ambika Soni ji speaking to us. These are the reactions we are getting from the Congress party. The first was the leader of the opposition, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge in Rajya Sabha, and then it was Ambika Soni ji, the senior Congress leader, who also comes from Punjab. I've been joined by the Congress's General Secretary in charge, Mr. K.C. Venugopal. Mr. Venugopal, how do you see repealing of these?
Okay, Supriya, I'll come back to you.